Here given that surface area of a rectangular cuboid and sum of the surface area of a rectangular parallelepiped and a sphere is constant. Surface area. So first we find the surface area. Surface area of cuboid equal to 2 LB plus BH plus HL. So here 2x square plus 2 by 3x 2 by 3x square plus x square by 3. This will be 2x square 2 by 3 1 by 3 mean 3 by 3 3 by 3 x square mean x square. So this will be 6 3 plus into 2 6x square. And surface area of sphere, if radius r, then surface area of sphere will be 4 pi r square. Now given that sum of the surface area of cuboid and sphere is constant, so we can write 6x square plus 4 pi r square equal to constant. Okay, this is given. Now we derive both sides with respect to x. We get 12x plus 8 pi r into dr by dx equal to 0. From here we get dr by dx equal to minus 12x by 8 pi r minus 4243 minus 3x by 2 pi r dr by dx. Now find the proof that the sum of their volume. Prove that sum of their volume is minimum. Sum of their volume is minimum if x is equal to 3 times radius. Mean we can prove that x equal to 3r. Prove that x equal to 3r. Now sum of their volume. Sum of volume equal to volume of cuboid length into breadth into height, mean 2 by 3 x cube, and volume of sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube. So this will be minimum. Let this is y, 2 by 3 x cube plus 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now differentiate with respect to x. Dy by dx equal to 2x square plus 4 pi r square. And for maximum and minimum, this value, and dr by dt, sorry, dr by dx equal to 0. For maximum or minimum, dy by dx will be 0. Now we substitute dr by dx in here. This is equation 1, this is equation 2. So this will be 2x square plus 4 pi r square dr by dx equal to minus 3x by 2 pi r. This will be 0 for maximum or minimum value. Now simplify it. Pi cancel, r cancel, 2 2. Now 2x square minus 6rx equal to 0, and 2x x minus 3r x minus 3r equal to 0. x not equal to 0. If x is 0, then cuboid dimension will be 0. So x not equal to 0. So x equal to 3r. That is proved. Now we find the volume of minimum volume. Minimum volume, we just substitute x equal to 3r in equation 2 by 3 x cube. X mean 3r, 3r cube. 3r cube mean 27r cube plus 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now just simplify it. We get 18r cube plus 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now we take common r cube by 3, 54